subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, today we are going to make Parineeti Chopra's inspired earrings from the song Bhare Bazaar. They're very easy to make and also they look so cute. So let's get started. Take a red cardstock and fold it in two. Now draw a semi-feather shape over it. Take a scissor and cut it out. This is how it looks. Now start fringe cutting in the slant direction on one side of the feather. Keep doing this until you reach the top. And a huge thanks to Rizwan Qureshi for supporting me. It definitely means a lot and thank you so much. And if you do want to get featured in my next video, all you need to do is comment down below and I will pick one of you for my next video. Repeat this on the other side as well. Now you need a gold bead, 2 pins, chain and a hook. Attach the gold bead using the hot glue gun. Now take a chain and cut to the desired length you want. Now take a headpin and attach it using the pliers. Also cut out the extra. Do it similarly to the other end, but this time add the hook as well. And cut out the pin. This is how you attach them together. You can also use a jump ring to attach the hook and the chain, but I thought they'd be big for the earrings. So instead of that I used a pin. Now using hot glue gun, attach one end of the chain to the earring base. Lastly, add the nail polish over the hot glue so to cover it up. So that's it, you're done. I do know they don't exactly look like Parineeti Chopra's earrings, but they almost do. So do try it for yourself if you do like it. Also please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to never miss my any of the videos. And do not forget to comment down below if you liked it. Until then, meet you in my next video. Happy crafting!